Today's video we will discuss about hypothyroid and its natural treatment. Thyroid is a gland which is located at the base of the neck just below the Adam apple. The thyroid produces two main hormones called T3 and T4 which are transported in the blood to all parts of the body. These hormones control the rate of many in the blood to all parts of the body. These hormones control the rate of many activities in our body including how fast calories are burned and how fast or slow once a person's heart rate is beating. Combined, these two activities are often referred as the metabolism. When thyroid disease occurs and the thyroid gland is compromised, it may produce too few hormone and this can result in the metabolism slowdown. This condition is often referred to as the underactive thyroid function or hypothyroid. Let's understand the various symptoms of underactive thyroid. When the thyroid function normally, the thyroid will produce T3 and T4 at a 20% and 28% respectively. And underproduction of this hormone will slow down the body's metabolism, causing hypothyroidism. So let's understand what are the common symptoms of this condition. The first symptoms will start with a weight gain, although we eat sensibly, feeling cold even in warm weather, feeling fatigue, depression, hair loss, dry and flaky skin, especially on the face, unexplained joint pain. In addition to this, we will face low this low cholesterol is in the good cholesterol and the high cholesterol that is LDL will increase. Let's understand the causes of hypothyroidism. It will first start with the autoimmune thyroiditis, where the body's own immune system will attack the thyroid gland. The second one could be the deficiency of the iodine, which is very much necessary for the production of thyroid hormone. Deficiency of protein, magnesium, zinc also are the essential micronutrients which may lead to the underfunction of the thyroid. Heavy metal poisoning or overabundance of the chemical and pesticide in the body. The last but not the least is in few cases root canal teeth can leak toxin to the body and enter the thyroid gland producing thyroid disease. Now let's understand how naturally we can treat the hypothyroid condition. The majority of the people who have an underactive thyroid, such as Hashimoto disease, have an autoimmune disease whereby the immune system attack the thyroid tissue. So in order to find an underactive thyroid natural treatment, it is important to address the autoimmune disease. Just taking the prescription from the medical practitioner for few lower thyroid function will simply check a mask on the symptoms. Then coming on to the dietary changes that a person has to make. Making dietary changes can be the first step in embracing natural thyroid. Active thyroid treatment can begin with cutting out and getting addition to the diet in the following way. Food that we need to add in our daily diet are food rich in vitamin A like carrot and eggs, seafood like dulse, kelp, nori, food rich in zinc, let's say chicken, nuts, and spinach, protein based food which will help in thyroid functioning. They are nuts, butter, quinoa, antibiotic, organic grass fed meat, fish, egg, and legumes and beans. Then in taking in intake of the fats, those will be coming under our olive oil, ghee, avocado, flaxseed, fish, nuts, butter, cheese, yogurt, cottage cheese, coconut milk, all this product. Then let's understand the food that we need to stuff from our daily diet or food intake. So these foods will be refined foods, saturated fats, sugar, white flour, fruits and vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, peach, pears. Then we need to reduce the caffeine and sugar intake. Then coming to the gluten based food. So those are the things we need to exclude from our daily diet because it is most composition to the thyroid tissue and consuming gluten can increase an autoimmune attack on our thyroid. Let's discuss about the micronutrients that we need to take for the natural treatment of the hypernutrients and mineral intake can help in reducing symptoms of low thyroid function, increasing the intake of iodine, vitamin D, iron, omega-3 fatty acids, selenium, zinc, copper, vitamin A, vitamin B or B12 can help in reducing the thyroid. Iodine is needed to make the thyroid hormone. The recommended minimum iodine intake for most adults is 150 milligrams per day. Good food sources for iodine are milk, cheese, poultry, eggs, kelp, and other seaweed. Coming to the vitamin B12 is a very important for the thyroid function. It helps improve cellular response to thyroid hormone and boost energy production in cells to help with fatigue and other symptoms associated with the hypothyroidism. Selenium product efficiently efficient for the thyroid synthesis and metabolism and has been found in studies to reduce thyroid antibody level in patients with Hashimoto. Zinc is another beneficial in improving thyroid function and the hormone level has been shown in studies to have a positive effect on the thyroid function in overweight females. Vitamin D improves the TSH level. Vitamin D in the food like fortified milk, yogurt, and orange juice. Omega 3 is another component which is very much found in fish, grass-fed animal product, flaxseed, walnut, and the building blocks for the hormone that control the immune function and cell growth are critical to thyroid function and improve the ability to respond to thyroid hormones. Glutathione is a powerful antioxidant which can help in underactive thyroid treatment. It can boost the immune system, reduce autoimmune flare ups, and protect and heal thyroid tissue. Now let's understand what are the key takeaway for the treatment of the hypothyroid. Hypothyroidism generally requires medical treatment and monitoring by a health professional. While this natural treatment can help you manage your symptoms and can complement thyroid medication, they cannot replace it. Eating well, exercising, and practicing self care and stress management can all help. When managed with medication and a healthy lifestyle, thyroid function can return to a normal state. As with any chronic condition, a healthy diet can go a long way with the hypothyroidism. Eat an anti inflammatory diet full of lots of fruits, vegetable, and unprocessed food and limit sugar intake. Today's video we will discuss about hypothyroid and its natural treatment. Thyroid is a gland which is located at the base of the neck just below the Adam apple. The thyroid produces two main hormones called T3 and T4 which are transported in the blood to all parts of the body.